In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Ghibli-style image with AI tools. By the end, you'll know exactly how to take an existing photo and give it that whimsical, hand-painted look inspired by classic animated films, using the Grok website from start to finish. First, open the Grok website in your preferred web browser. A modern, up-to-date browser will make everything smoother, and a stable internet connection helps prevent interruptions while your image is uploading and processing. If you're not sure of the exact URL, search for the official Grok site and make sure you're on a trusted page before continuing. Next, log into your account. Use your usual sign-in method and, if prompted, complete any verification steps for security. Keep your login details private and avoid sharing sensitive information. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the main workspace where you can begin working with images. Now, upload your file. Look for an upload or drag and drop area on the page. Select the image you want to transform from your device. Common formats like JPG and PNG typically work best. Choose a clear, well-lit photo. Higher resolution images often produce better stylistic results. After selecting the file, give the upload a moment to complete. You may see a progress indicator. Wait until it finishes so the platform has the full image to work with. Once your image is fully uploaded, enter your prompt. In the prompt box, type something simple and direct like, "Turn this image into a Studio Ghibli style." Clear instructions help the system understand the look you're aiming for. Keep your wording concise and focused on the style. If your subject needs clarity, a short description, such as who or what is in the image, can help the model interpret the scene in that aesthetic, but you don't need to overcomplicate it. Then press enter and wait for the result. Processing time can vary based on server load and the complexity of your image, so be patient. Avoid refreshing the page while it's working. You may see a spinner or status message indicating progress. When it's done, your transformed image will appear on screen, showing that soft storybook feel associated with Ghibli-inspired visuals. That's it. Open the Grok website, log in, upload your file, enter a clear prompt like, "Turn this image into a Studio Ghibli style," press enter, and wait for the magic to happen. Follow these steps and you'll be creating charming, painterly results in no time.